tonight I'm wearing Beach Bunny. This is the kickoff party for Swim Week 2010.
I'm really excited to be here. It's my first time working with Beach Bunny, and you're going to see a lot of beautiful designs.
Hi, my name is Maitland Simmons. I'm wearing Beach Bunny and I feel pretty amazing. It's nice and tight and I love it.
Oceandrive, fabulous.
Fine lingerie, I would say. It's beautiful though, with a lot of lace. I think I walked down. He prefers nothing, I think.
I prefer just.
Bunny asked me to do campaign, you know, they come up with the idea, maybe it's going to be more interesting for me to do my own swimwear, and I'm like, yeah, I love that. Hi Oceandrive, thank you so much for posting me in the cover, I love it, it's so beautiful, and thank you for beautiful cover with my own swimwear.